This is my island in the sun.
Hi guys, Englishman here. Had an idea. It came on the news today that they're still open, the water system. So I'm going over into the city here. I just walked through Floriana, had something to eat. We're going to underneath the law courts. There's a water system. In the old days, Knights of St. John used to, obviously they used to bring the water from Rabat and they used to have to store it. Under various big places in Valletta, there's massive water systems. Most of the Bishop's Palace, down by the bottom of the barracks. Also, there's a very big one that's just opened up there by the law courts. It's right underneath the law courts. 3 stories. I just saw pictures of it. I'm really interested to go in and have a look at it. Okay, we're going to walk this way. We'll walk past the fountain. I'll show you the fountain, but obviously I did videos of that before. And then we'll walk down into the middle of Valletta, down the main street, and we'll go into the law courts. I'm not sure where it is, so I'm going to have to find it from there. Follow me this way. Okay, we're right outside the law courts here, and you go and buy the ticket from here. It's €5 for adults, 2 for children, and you go to this young lady down here. It goes right underneath, so let's see what's going to be. Right under the law courts and the doorways here. I never saw these gateways before, so let's see what we find.
And then I can tell you the information I know about this.
Thank you. Okay, guys, we're going down now. This place. I've been walking on the top of this for ages. I didn't know there was a doorway here. We're supposed to be going down about 2 stories. Oh wow, this is nice. There, it's cool down here now.
Yeah.
Have to be careful, my head.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beautiful. This is built by the Knights. The roots coming down there. There is shelter.
And then kind of after the wall.
Thank you.
Now we are
These wires on them. How boring. Eh? Wow, look at this inside here, guys. The roots coming down from the... This is about 3 stories, I think.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. How beautiful. You can imagine, guys, right? 1700. This root coming from the surface. Yeah, it's really nice. I hope the camera picks it up. It's a bit dark.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
So is this all filled with water? You know? Maybe just like when it comes from Rabat to keep the reservoirs. There must be some connection to the Wynyard Courts viaduct. maybe. Yeah, some that they won't even open up for a fee, but I heard about that. Oh, I hope you're enjoying this, guys. And there's like ventilators going out there.
You're right below the monument.
Oh, okay. So I show you when I go outside where the monument is. This is the monument above us here. And the law court's over this way, I think.
That's St. John's.
Oh, there's more.
That's a fire escape, actually.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, this is a fire escape. This is astonishing, though, these routes. They've just been coming down from here. A whole route coming from the sea. Oh, great. I'm lucky it's not very good. And the stairs go up here. Okay, we're ready, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Really interesting down there, the routes that were coming down. I stopped off to get pastice. When I go past the shop and the smell, I have to buy it. My tummy's getting bigger. It was €5 to go in. No discounts for anybody at all, just children €3. But that's 3 stories under the court, and it actually goes under the monument as well. And if they opened up the other part, it would go to St. John's Cathedral. There's supposed to be a whole warren of them all over the place here. I'm right outside the Opera House here. No, this is another place that they should be doing. Maybe one day they do it, but it would cost millions to put this place. I'll show you some pictures how it used to look in the old days. and it used to be really the treasure of Malta until it got bombed in the wartime, Second World War. I think it was bombed. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Going down was a little bit dark, so I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Maybe it's too dark for the camera. Let's see anyway. There is a little bit of light and with some beautiful music as well. A bit more pastizzi. I've got to go back to work now. And just a little break to try and keep the videos coming. I hope you enjoyed the other one. It would be up by now, I think. Walking along the coast, very, very windy. Today is not too bad though. Got a little bit of sunshine. In fact, with the jumper, it's quite hot. But you know, with this wind comes quickly and the rain. I think there's forecast some rain coming as well, so the temperature goes down. We're still a little bit unsettled around this time of year. Okay, thanks a lot. Englishman in Malta saying bye. Take care. Thumbs up, please. Notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe and share the videos. Love to see some more new people. Bye. Take care. See you soon.
Ta' kull flaxija fisqa ħdejja ħdejli dar tal-bigilla jibda jarma fejn mill-orfa jġib